Hey guys, what's up? It's Adrian, and today's video is just a really quick and easy hair tutorial that I've been doing since I haven't really been putting in effort into my hair, but this hairstyle makes it look like it, and it's really easy. All you need are just 3 hair ties, or 4 or 2 depending on how long your hair is, but all I am doing is putting it into a ponytail and doing the pull through braid where you just make a hole and then flip the hair inside. But what I'm also going to do is do it like 2 other times for my hair. Underneath each other. And voila! So basically it's like the quickest hair tutorial and just such an easy go-to hairstyle of mine, and that's pretty much it. So hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!